In your living room, a good way to keep your tables clutter-free is to use baskets to contain all the remotes from your TVs, your DVDs, or whatever kind of remotes you have. Just put them on a basket, like I'm doing here, and it's gonna keep everything neatly in place. Most of the times, the dining tables always look cluttered and they look messy, with a lot of newspapers and things all over the table. The best thing to do for something like that is to clear your dining table out of newspapers, flyers, anything you have laying around the dining table. Just clear it up and use a tray like I am doing here and arrange everything neatly in place in the center of your table. As you could see here, I have cleared the whole entire dining table and I have made this centerpiece, and everything looks neat, organized, and in place. When you over-decorate a specific area of your house, it looks messy and it looks cluttered. As you could see here, I took all of the frames, all of the candle holders, pretty much everything that I had on top of this table, I took it off and I just left 3 little things, and now it looks much better. Less is more. The best way to reduce paper clutter around your house is, once you get your mail on daily basis, just go through all the paperwork and throw away anything that you do not need. Just keep your bills and pretty much that's all. You're going to reduce a lot of clutter throughout your house. Another way to cut clutter around the house is to use baskets. Use baskets to contain your items, and this way you're going to have everything neatly organized into one place. For example, in here I am organizing all of my hair products inside of this basket, and this basket goes inside of a cabinet inside of my bathroom, and it pulls in and out very easily because it has this little handle. I would say that one of the most important tips that I'm giving you today is to make up your bed. Fix your room as soon as you wake up and make your bed. There's nothing better than just having your bed made, and your room is always gonna look clutter-free, it's gonna always look neat and organized. Just make up your bed as soon as you wake up, guys. How many of you are guilty of this? You come home, you take your jacket off, you throw it on the first chair that you see, you take your shoes off, and you simply walk away and you tell yourself, don't worry, I will put this away later on, and it just stays there. If you do that, you're creating a lot of clutter and a lot of mess around your house. The best thing is everything has a place. Put your jacket in its place and put your shoes in its place. When I say group items by function, what it means is store items that they are the same category, items that they're used for the same thing, into one specific area. Don't have them all over your house. For example, this is a small dresser that I have right next to my desk, and on this drawer I will be storing my camera equipment, all my telephone equipment. I'm also going to be storing all of my computer equipment, all of the little cords for my telephones, for my cell phones, and everything that I need for editing videos. In here I have my camera. Over here I have battery chargers for the camera, my headphones, a spare battery for my computer. I have all the cords for my cell phones, and I have a microphone for editing videos. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to give us a like and to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. You're free to share this video with your family and your friends.